Alright, here's the deal. Me and my brother rail fanning the family member we keep talking about who had a house down there, has moved, and they're still close to the tracks, maybe even a little closer now. We're up by Flint. This is Station Street, and that's Flint Road there. It's not too famous of a rail fanning spot, but I've seen other people here before. And we got a train coming, double red north, and starting to see the light a little bit. Should be down here in just a little bit. There we go. We moved over to the other side. Looks like it's coal. It'd be nice if it was Canadian National or something since we missed out on it, but it looks like it's Norfolk Southern from here. It's on the other line, it looks like. The further one. I thought it was going to be the closer one. Looks like they're going good speed. Should be, or at least one at the end. Don't have one in the end. It might be empty. We got another one way up there. 2 of them. We missed one too, so there were 3 trains here. Waiting, better hurry up because there's another one way up there. It's going to be down here before long. I'd like to see something different than Norfolk Southern, I'll say that. Here we go again. No cars right now. So there's one coming, it sounds like. I don't know how long they'll have to wait. This looks like a mixed freight or something. That turned yellow just a little while ago up there. Well, this one looks like it's going quick. Step back a bit. Yeah, it's going fast. slowed down a little bit at the end. There's the horn again at the other crossing. Way up there. That's yellow already, so I don't know. About 20 minutes later, we got another one on the coastline again. It'd be nice to see something, some foreign power, but I don't think we're gonna get that lucky. I don't know. After missing, I actually lucked out on Canadian National not too long ago. Southbound coal train, I'm pretty sure it was loaded. We were driving somewhere, and I wanted to stop, but the person who was driving didn't, so yep. And we were looking behind, and sure enough, Canadian National southbound coal went flying by crossing up north there ways. But yeah, that was misfortunate, big time. Step back a little bit more. There's just NS again. Still yellow up there. Don't know if that's coming up on camera. And double red, that'll be changing soon, I bet. It's about an hour later. We went back to our house and waited a bit, came back over, and we got another one coming. Looks like grain. We just arrived in time. First northbound of the day. As you can see, there's a green signal up there, and here it comes. Bit of an update. Second engine looks like it's blue. I don't know if it's the Conrail Heritage unit or just an NS blue unit. I don't know, we'll find out. It looks like it stopped, so we're gonna walk down there. Yep, it's the Norfolk Southern blue unit, blue and gray. That is. Sorry you can't see it. It stopped for some reason. My brother Tyler said he saw some smoke maybe. So I don't know, there may have been some kind of accident and they had to do an emergency stop. But we'll see if it starts moving here in a little bit. I don't know. But the NS blue unit's right there. I'm really wanting to stick around and have it pass by so I can get a better shot of it. So we'll see what happens. lucky catch right there. That's what it's all about. They got up to speed pretty good, I'll tell you what. They got 3 locomotives on it, that's why. Waiting for something to get out of the way. Another little area where the 3C line went through, thought I should shout that out. Right there is where the tracks would have been long ago. They went down there. And they used to be, the last major railroad that owned them was Conrail.